Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Peter Palmiato with MarylandMedicareOptions.com. I am a fully licensed independent Medicare insurance broker. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about myself. I was born and raised in San Diego. I've been married since 2003, and I am married with 4 daughters. So we moved to Annapolis, Maryland a few years back in 2018. And we absolutely love it here. So I brought my business. I manage both my San Diego Medicare book of business, my folks out there, as well as here in Maryland. I've been doing this since 2011, and I've serviced hundreds, probably about 800 or 900 clients at this point throughout the years, and many of them are still with me and doing well and enjoying their insurance. I am licensed and authorized to sell supplement insurance called medigap or gap insurance like Plan F, Plan N, Plan G. I'm also licensed and authorized to sell Medicare Advantage Part C plans, or what they call, a lot of people think they're just HMOs. But here in Maryland, we have a bunch of different ones, from special needs plans to PPOs to HMOs and everything in between. I am also authorized and licensed to sell prescription RX plans, Medicare, what they call Medicare PDP plans, the drug plans. Now, Medicare is all I do. So I actually specialize in Medicare, and I typically do not sell other things that you would typically kind of get a sales pitch from other agents or brokers. Now, I am authorized and licensed to sell other things like dental insurance or vision plans, life insurance. And if that is something you are interested in, you will need to bring that up when we speak, because I simply just make it a point not to sell or talk about anything but Medicare insurance. So moving right along, what can I offer you for free? All of my services are free. I'll definitely explain what your Medicare insurance options are. Some don't go far enough. Some agents out there will only tell them or tell the client the options that they have. I give you all of the options, even if it's a company that I do not represent, so I can go out and get licensed by that company if that's the company you absolutely want to have. So I'll give you the full spectrum of options to choose from. We can visit either in person at your home, at a restaurant, coffee shop, or we can do everything virtually with a Zoom meeting online. We can obviously speak by phone. We can do electronic applications through DocuSign, email, fax, mail. However you're comfortable with it, I'm fine with it as well. Now, I do cover the entire state of Maryland, so I am willing to travel far to meet with you if that's what you prefer. I will show you plans from 20 plus different companies here in the state of Maryland. It's a very comprehensive list. It has all the major medical insurance companies that you would expect to find, like University of Maryland, Hopkins, Kaiser, Cigna, so on and so forth. I also represent some smaller companies that have some very unique offerings that you might be interested as well, and I'll definitely go over those when we speak. Also, I'll handle all of the paperwork, submission to the carriers, and follow-up and any inquiries you might have. I'll handle all those for you. And I'm typically easier to reach than most insurance companies, so I am your partner in this. I sit on your side of the table because my compensation comes from the carriers, not from you. And what that means is every carrier, by law, has to compensate me at a flat rate. So there's no carrier out there that pays me more than someone else. So to me, it doesn't matter who you sign with, who you ultimately become underwritten with by insurance, because I am compensated all at the same rate. So that's why I sit on your side of the table to help research the marketplace, shop the marketplace, and find the best plan for you, for your situation, at the lowest possible price, with the highest benefits and best rated companies. So I do work for you and not the insurance carriers. So how do we start? What's next? How do you get started doing this? Well, it's very easy. You can simply just call me and we'll talk about your situation, and I'll put you on a path that will ultimately get you insured by a certain time, and I'll help you do that all over the phone, or we can set up a time to meet. So there's the number on the screen. You can always email me just to kind of discuss by email at first. There's my email there. And of course, you can always go to my website, MarylandMedicareOptions.com. Now, on the site, you will notice I have an option to book a meeting with me in person. Now, although I'm in Annapolis, I will drive all the way to the Eastern Shore, past Salisbury, all the way to the coast. All right. I'll always travel wherever I need to travel to meet with a client if that's what they want. With that being said, if you're in a county outside of, let's say, an hour's drive of Annapolis, I'd prefer that you call me first just to verify I have that day available, and then we can book something in person. So if you need me to drive to Oakland in Western Maryland, I don't have any problem doing that. I just need to make sure my schedule is set to do that. So either give me a call, email, or check me out online. If you have any simple questions or complex questions, or if you just want to talk, please let me know. All of my services are free. There's no broker fees. And like I said, I'm completely unbiased as to which plans you will ultimately go with. You're in control. I'll simply just give you the options, give you some apples to apples comparisons, and let you decide which plan or product is best for you. So I hope that helps. Please let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully I will talk to you soon.